Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the essentials ready. Device plugged into the TV, phone on the same Wi-Fi, and the Google Home app open. First, verify the TV input and that the Chromecast or Google Home shows as online in the app. Once done, tap the device card and follow any quick setup prompts. Make sure the firmware installs if requested. This gets you past the obvious prep and into the actual casting flow. No extra waiting, just the first actionable steps. Now begin casting. If you want the full screen, use Cast My Screen from the device card. If you're casting a YouTube or Netflix app, tap the cast icon inside that app and choose the device. Once connected, you control playback from the app or the Google Home card. Adjust volume either on the TV, the app slider, or your phone. Make sure to keep the phone awake for long sessions. If multiple devices appear, pick the correct one to avoid sending audio to the wrong room. When you're done, stop casting from the cast icon or the device card. This cleanly releases the stream. If you need to move to another speaker or TV, first stop casting, then select the new device and start again. This prevents split streams. If casting fails, reboot the phone and the Chromecast or Google Home and check both are on the same network. If problems persist, try a factory reset on the Chromecast. That usually clears lingering pairing or network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.